Hi, it's Melissa from Special Ed Law Mom. This is not one of my traditional videos. I have another channel called Creative Frugal Fun where I talk about all things creative, frugal, and fun. And I put together a video there that I do cooking on there, and it has a lot of over 10 videos of me cooking different things, either in the crock pot or the Instapot, or just simple hacks that make easy meals on the stove. Right now it's summer 2024. It's hot outside. I don't want my oven on. You probably don't either. I need to have things that I cook with my kids so they can feel successful. And so I have compiled a list down below of all of the videos with the links to the videos that you can watch for different things to make, either for you to try for your family or try with your kids, or heavens, maybe you're going through IEP stuff, maybe you're busy working, maybe you've got a lot going on and you just need a simple meal. So for the crock pot, I have chicken cordon bleu pasta, spaghetti sauce, crock pot lasagna, chicken fajitas, and beef roast. Instapot, I have sausage and rice, which is so good. Mac and cheese, and then I also have artichokes and mashed potatoes. And then for the hacks, I have a salad hack with rotisserie chicken, sloppy joes, brown sugar carrots, chicken and gravy pasta, really good, and chicken Alfredo. So if you want to check those out, the links to the videos will be down below that you can watch. A couple of tips for you for the summer. I don't like to have my oven on. I don't like my house to get hot. So if I need to do something involving my oven, then I will cook it early in the day, in the morning, preferably before about 10 o'clock. And that way it doesn't heat up my house too badly. A lot of planning ahead helps with that. Like if I'm going to roast vegetables or something, I might chop them the day before and have them in the fridge. And then I can just throw them in the oven while I'm getting my shower or whatnot in the morning. I do a lot of throw a bunch of chicken in the crock pot with some broth or water, some herbs or spices, generic, and cook that all day. And then I have broth and I have um, chicken meat that I shred that I can use in different meals. You can do that same concept with pork or roast. You can freeze any of those. If I buy hamburger in bulk, I cook it up. A lot of times, unless I'm planning something like meatloaf. Otherwise, I cook it all up and bag it up, and then it's in the freezer ready to go in like 1 to 1.5 pound portions. Um, I'll do a lot of like generic things. Like, so on it, I can cook a beef roast, following a recipe, but if I cook it more generic, then it's more versatile and I can dress it up for Mexican night, maybe Italian night, Chinese night. Whereas if I just cook it for Chinese night, then it's kind of hard to do different kinds of leftovers. Um, so there's a lot of that I do. I use my freezer a lot. Make sure you have freezer containers. You can get sets. These meal prep sets that are out are really good, fairly cheap at Walmart, or a Rubbermaid set, something like that. And just make life easy on yourself. And these meals can help your kids. They'll feel productive. They'll feel like, wow, I made that something new for your family, and it prevents you from having to turn on your oven. So I know it's not my normal kind of video, but I wanted to just come and bring it on because I know all moms and dads need help with this kind of thing. So I hope you're doing well. If you like this channel, please like, subscribe, comment below. You can reach me at Special Ed Law Mom. Check out my other channel, Creative Frugal Fun. I've been on there a long time. Lots of videos on there about all sorts of topics. And until next time, make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.